On the screen on the stove, it says oven is miswired. Check power cord. It has been working just fine ever since it was installed. I cannot use the burners either now. Cannot understand why it won't work when it has been working good till now.
Is your stove gas or electric? How old is it?
It is electric and was purchased early fall of this year.
How long has this been going on with your stove? What have you tried so far?
It just happened today when I was baking a cobbler. Wasn't sure what to do but did push some of the buttons but nothing would get rid of it.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I know of.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question.
Okay.
The message just means the correct power isn't getting to the control board. If you're certain that it's wired properly and never been tampered with recently, then flip the circuit breaker off to the oven for 60 seconds and flip it back on to see if it reset. If it doesn't reset, then you'll need to pull the oven forward and remove the back access panel where the power cord connects to the back of the oven and make sure nothing's shorted out at the terminal block. If that all checks good, then the main control board is just not reading the power correctly and would need to be replaced. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
5. Thank you. Good advice.
No problem and good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.